Good evening. As I'm packed and ready to go head up to Sturgis, I thought I'd show you real quick what it takes. And not everybody would take this but I like to. So we have an air pressure gauge, we have a set of goggles over glasses, and extra cotton gloves. Over here we have prescription sunglasses, another set of goggles, a gallon of gas, a quart of oil, glass cleaner. We have all our registration papers, proof of insurance, operator's manual. We have the phone charger ready there. We have double plug-ins so we can plug the phone charger in and still run the Zumo 665. Over here we keep extra headgear. There's a cold weather balaclava for your head and plenty of extra do-rags and other masks for your face. Of course, my good leather jacket. In this bag we keep rain gear, a plug kit, an air compressor, a tool kit, jumper cables, extra coat, my favorite pair of gloves when it's really cold out with the gauntlets on them, another pair of gloves, plenty of bungee cords. Of course, old school GPS. Here's the trucker's atlas. There's my personal clothing, toiletries in there, cooler, packed full of ice and water, orange juice. And there's a few beers in there. And in the trailer, we have the camping gear, the tent, sleeping bag, my favorite cot, extra sweatshirt, different gloves, of course my hat, and that's what we take. I like to kind of have some stuff with me, so there you go. We'll be on our way to Sturgis. Have a nice day.